Hi, this is Neil, and standing beside me is one of my Kung Fu masters, Sienna. And today, we're going to change the automatic transmission fluid on this recently bought Toyota Yaris. Now here are the materials that you'll need. So first you're going to need a socket wrench, and you're also going to need a 10mm hex socket. You also need a long funnel, and some automatic transmission fluid, and finally, and most importantly, an oil drain pan. I hope you enjoyed this video. After jacking the car, we need to remove the drain plug. It's right here under the driver's side. Now loosen the plug using the 10mm hex socket attached socket wrench. Get the oil drain pan and put it right here. After letting the fluid drip, tighten the drain plug. Okay. Now remove the dipstick. Put the long funnel in. And then add the transmission fluid. After warming up the car, it is advised to check the transmission fluid dipstick level. I'll pull the dipstick out. As you can see here, the recommended level is to be between the rightmost two markers. That's all we will show you for today. If you enjoyed seeing Yemi Sifu in this video, or if you just like car videos in general, make sure to hit that like button below, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Also, if you have any comments, questions, or maybe any compliments, make sure to type in the comments below. Don't be shy, and bye. See you in the next video.